If you're buying a blood pressure cuff for home use, this is what actually matters. To start, you want to rest 5 minutes before you take your pressure. Sit down, no talking, make sure your back is supported, feet on the floor, and then apply the cuff. To apply the cuff, undo the Velcro, slide it onto your arm, and you want it to be above your elbow bend, and then tighten it. You want it to be not too tight, but not too loose. You should be able to fit one finger up underneath it. You align the cord with your main artery. Rest your arm on the counter, palm up, and then we'll turn it on. And I already have mine set up, so it comes up with my name. You press OK, blood pressure, OK. And it starts to take my blood pressure. It's quiet, it inflates quickly. And it's done. I love that it has the clear display that shows your heart rate, your blood pressure. It has the color coded down here on the bottom below your blood pressure, so you can see if it falls in the good range, bad range. So that gives you a good indicator of what that reading meant. So if you're tracking your numbers at home, having something reliable just makes it easier. And this one not only does your blood pressure, but it also has the app that loads to your phone to track all your numbers for you so that you can have a record of it to show to your doctor or to keep for your own personal use.